Hi guys, I thought I would do a wee quick tutorial just for closing off amigurumi pieces. So I'm just working on the last bits for my upcoming bunny pattern. I'm making the tail, so it's just a little kind of ball shape really. So once you've fastened off your yarn and pulled it through, you want to take your yarn needle like this, and so this one sort of fairly typical for most of these. We've got 6 stitches in the last round, so we want to come from the outside towards the inside through. I usually just go through the front loop and then pick up the front loop of the next stitch, so that's 2 stitches. So we are essentially going to the inside and then back to the outside, so you want to do it like that. And then you want to do the same thing again, so from outside to inside, then inside to outside through the front loops of the next 2 stitches. And feed it through, and typical chenille yarn, the yarn might shed a little bit, and then last 2 stitches there, so again outside to inside, inside to outside through the last 2 stitches. And once you've done that, just steady, as I always say when you're working with yarn that's prone to snap, and just steady pressure, just tighten it down as much as you can. Now we can see that hole's gone, it's closed. And then to secure it, you want to pick up a loop near where your yarn is coming out, pull that through, and then double back on yourself. So we want to put the needle through this loop here that you've created. So just pull that through and tighten that down, and then that's it, knotted in place, and then you can secure your yarn inside. So I just push it through, pull it out one side, grab some scissors and snip off. Then different people use different things for doing this. I usually use the kind of eye of the needle, so just gonna basically poke the end inside and just make sure it's buried in there, and then if you kind of squeeze it and fluff it, that helps push it in as well. That's it. So this is what's going to be a bunny tail. So I will sew on to this little guy who still needs a face as well. So this is going to go here, and then we're going to sew the face details, embroider them on, and that's going to be this little bun done. So hopefully that was helpful for you if you're new to making amigurumi, if you're new to making these things. That's the way, the kind of fairly standard way to close off, but it does the job pretty well. So next up I'll do a tutorial on doing the face details for this little bunny for embroidery, so look out for that. And the tester call for this bunny should be coming soon as well, so that's due soon. See you next time. Bye.